Update on breaking news we brought to you at noon. A grand jury is indicting the man accused of killing 3 tourists outside their Airbnb on charges of first-degree murder. State Attorney Monique Worrell announced the indictment this morning against Ahmaud Bauget.
Let's get out to West 2's Luana Munoz in Osceola County. Luana, these charges are more serious than Bauget was originally facing.
Yeah, that's absolutely right. Originally, he was facing a second-degree murder charge. But as Monique Worrell explained today, the first-degree murder charges that we saw were something that had to involve a grand jury, and that indictment is what we heard today.
And after reviewing the evidence presented, the grand jury has returned indictments charging Ahmaud Bauget with 3 counts of first-degree murder.
State Attorney Monique Worrell announced that 29-year-old Ahmaud Bauget was indicted Thursday morning by a grand jury with 3 counts of first-degree murder. Bauget was previously charged with second-degree murder. Worrell explained why the upgraded charges took time.
In a capital-eligible case, prosecutors are not permitted to file first-degree murder charges until the case has been presented to a grand jury and an indictment is returned.
Bauget is accused of shooting and killing 3 men outside their Kissimmee Airbnb on January 17th. First-degree murder means Bauget could face the death penalty.
If the decision is made to seek capital punishment, a formal notice of intent to seek death is filed in accordance with Florida law. That is the process. It's careful, it's structured, and it reflects the gravity of seeking the ultimate punishment under the law.
But questions remain as to whether Bauget's mental health will keep him from even going to trial. Worrell says that determination is made by the courts.
Competency addresses readiness for trial. It does not determine guilt or innocence, and it does not diminish the seriousness of the charges in this case.
Bauget was arrested in 2021 for injuring a man after he randomly fired a gun at multiple vehicles at a Kissimmee Wawa store. He was found not guilty by reason of insanity. In a previous interview, his former attorney told WESH 2 his release was conditional on taking medication and being monitored, and believes those providers dropped the ball.
But what they could have done is say, hey, you violated your conditional release. And if they found that he was a danger to himself, which obviously he is, without medication, they could have sent him to the state hospital. But that didn't happen.
And Bauget does have a mental competency hearing in April. For now, he remains behind bars in the Osceola County Jail on no bond. I also reached out to the Attorney General's office for comment, but have yet to hear back. Covering Osceola County live in Kissimmee tonight, I'm Luana Munoz. We'll send it back to you.